here's the app called AI Dose My AI character roleplay. So role playing with AI characters is becoming quite popular these days. So it's not just that you just want to do AI chat. There is also like role playing. Our state of the art AI soulmate simulator is meticulously designed to provide companionship and support for individuals seeking fulfilling relationship in a new and exciting way. At the heart of AI DOS is our revolutionary AI technology that powers the most interactive and personalized virtual soulmate experience. So you will experience customizable appearance, role-play conversation, emotional support. Whether you're looking to say goodbye to loneliness or are curious, it does offer soulmate simulator experience like no other. So let's just try to install it. So here you can just start to chat. Then you can just your gender, your nickname, your age. And then you just kind of have this role play situation where you can type something, you can have settings, outfits, you can see all of the details, you can send. So something like that, you can just try it out. And yeah, so that's the idea. That's just how you can. And then there's memberships, then you can just buy these gems. Then there are all of these different role plays which you can see in here. And there are stars, and so that's kind of the app with more role playing element. So try it out.